Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hotspot off your phone and then connect to your Mercedes-Benz so that you have access to the internet. So you can watch things like YouTube or browse the internet itself. Now, if you own these style screens in your Mercedes, then this video is perfect for you. But if you own a Mercedes with slightly different style screens, this video should still help you. First step is go onto your iPhone, go to settings, now select personal hotspot. Now all you do is select allow others to join. Next, in the car, you just click on the home button and then go to apps. Then click on browser. Now on the left hand side of the screen, it's loading the settings. On the right hand side of the screen, it's just suggesting putting your hotspot on. Now you can buy an acquired data package through Mercedes, but I would recommend actually just hotspotting off your phone. That might work out better value, because how often do you think you'll really use the internet in your car? It's probably going to be faster if you just use your phone when parked up. You won't be able to browse the internet while you're driving. Now, if you haven't paired your phone already through Bluetooth, click on search device, and I have created a separate video on how to connect your phone to Mercedes-Benz. So check that out. On the top right corner, we'll see the description. Then come back to this video to see how to hotspot. If your phone is already paired through Bluetooth, then click the home button. Now go to apps. Just go to browser. Now you're just going to wait for it to load on the left hand side. Then what you're going to be waiting for is your phone's name. So my phone is called SP iPhone. Connect through SP iPhone. Now you just need to wait. Be patient. Don't worry if this happens. All you need to do is now search for the page that you actually want to search for. So I'm going to type in Google. And I'll type in .co.uk. And then click the OK button. Now just be patient, it will load the page. Sometimes it depends on the actual connection, so it depends on how much signal you've got on your phone. Got access to the internet. Now if I just search for YouTube, now you can see why I recommend using your phone rather than using the infotainment screen to access the internet. But it is useful to use if you want to just watch something with everyone inside the car, maybe when you're parked up. What I've done now is I've just sped up the video just to show you what it looks like when it's loaded and to show you how the videos actually work if you want to watch video content. 2023. This is the new 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC Plus. In this video, I'm going to show you what the car has and what are the options. I want to say a big thank you to Lucas Mercedes-Benz Wolverhampton for helping me make this video possible. For any information regarding to stock in 2016. So you can see it's very good, and you can actually browse the internet with it and watch videos on there. And look, I can even change the quality. So if I want full HD in my car, I can. If I do change to the highest quality setting, then it will take longer to load, as you can see. It's definitely reliant on a good connection to either Wi-Fi, or if you're using your hotspot off your phone, that needs to have a good connection. Let me know in the comments if you think you will hotspot off your phone or buy a data package to browse the internet. Press this button to refresh the page. Press the star. By pressing the star, that will actually save it in your bookmarks. Then, if you want to see your bookmarks, click the three dots, and here you can see your bookmark history, and you can even change the settings to mobile website, so that'll load the actual page quicker. You can even share the link by using the barcode here. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, as it helps me and the channel grow. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Thanks again for watching.